Hello guys, welcome once again today to my YouTube channel Make Money Time. I want to especially welcome you to today. Today we'll be looking at how to open a PayPal account with your phone, guys. Yes, with your phone. A lot of people think this is something you can only do with you. Today I'll be showing you how to do it with your phone. Just follow me up. I'll be doing more on the other side. I won't be talking too much on today's one. So just follow the steps and you'll get everything I'm doing. Yeah, let's dive in. Thank you. Yeah, paper.com.ls. Then you see the business page. The ordinary one, paper.com, does not have the business part. You see the business page. Go ahead to click on get started. So, okay. Click get started. What's wrong with my YouTube? So you click business. Yeah. Continue. There you go, guys. So you click, put your preferred Gmail account, put your password. Yeah, take it to this. You put your date of birth, your national ID. That's very important. Your national ID, date of birth. Don't lie about it. Put Nigeria as your country. Nothing will happen to your account. You'll see everything. You'll see how I linked my bank card and everything in this tutorial, guys. Don't worry. Let's go. Let's continue. So, see, I already have my account, but this account will not be functional if we don't do one or two other things more. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. So let's scroll. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So come to this place. You see this place where it says confirm email address. You go to your Gmail now and confirm your Gmail address. They sent you a message to your Gmail. Just go there, confirm it, and come back. That will be all for now. I'll do mine. Go do yours. So let's see. Open your Gmail. Set up your PayPal business account. Okay, no, not this one. So there you go. This is not okay. Come back here. This is it. Is it confirm? So you put in your password that you used to register it. Okay. Then click confirm. And guys, boom, your account is all set up to receive funds, man. Perfect. Don't let anyone show you something else online. This is just it. Let me show you how to link your cards. Sorry. Guys, if I'm giving you value, just like and subscribe. Show you guys some love, guys. Okay. So let's go. Yeah. Fonts. Click on carry. Take you to go to link with card. Link a card. So come here. Put in the kind of card you're linking. So yeah, I'm linking MasterCard. And guys, I'm not sure all cards work, but this particular MasterCard do works with FCMB. So let me put my details. So that's true. Okay. Guys, just follow the step and do like and subscribe, guys. Show your boys some love, guys. Like and subscribe. So do not make mistake on this level. That's why I'm trying to be very careful. So after which we should be done. Click on see your card, your link card. See, boom, that's all. As simple as ABC, guys. This is it. My card is already stored. That's it.